If I show you 7 to 4 and 33 to 1, could you instantly tell me which horse is more fancied, what a tenner returns, and the chance the bookmaker is implying? If not, this is the only odds lesson you will need before placing your first bet on British horse racing.
In horse racing, odds are doing two jobs. First, they show what you'll win if your horse wins. Second, they signal how likely the bookmaker thinks that outcome to be. In Britain, you'll usually see that in fractional odds like 2 to 1, 5 to 2 or 7 to 4.
Here's the key rule.
In a fraction, the left number is profit and the right number is the stake you need to win that profit. So, at 2 to 1, you win £2 profit for every £1 staked. At 5 to 2, you win £5 profit for every £2 staked. And at 7 to 4, you win £7 profit for every £4 staked.
Now, let's make the maths even easier.
Convert fractional odds to decimal by adding both numbers together and dividing by the bottom number. So, 2 to 1 equals 3. 5 to 2 equals 3.5, 7 to 4 equals 2.75. Decimal odds are nice because the total return is simply stake multiplied by the decimal price. Then, if you want the implied probability, use 100 divided by the decimal odds. That's why 7 to 4 is about 36.4%, 2 to 1 is about 33.3%. and 5 to 2 is about 28.6%.
Let's do the bookmaker prices most beginners actually see.
£10 at 7 to 4 returns £27.50. £10 at 2 to 1 returns £30. £10 at 5 to 2 returns £35. £10 at 10 to 1 returns £110. And £10 at 33 to 1 returns £340.
Now, two terms you're going to hear all the time: odds on and odds against.
Odds on means the price is shorter than evens, so the implied chance is over 50%. Think 1 to 2 or 4 to 5. You're more likely to be right, but your profit is smaller than your stake. Odds against means the price is bigger than evens, so the implied chance is under 50%. Think 2 to 1, 5 to 2 or 10 to 1. Less likely, but the reward is bigger.
So how do bookmakers come up with these prices? They're estimating probability by using things like stats, past performance and market opinion. But here's the thing beginners miss. They also build in a margin. That's why a bookmaker's market usually adds up to more than 100% probability. And that margin is called the overround, which is the bookmaker's edge. But the overround is for a future video, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. In horse racing, you also need to know the difference between fixed odds and SP, starting price.
Fixed odds mean you take the price that's on offer when you place the bet. SP stands for starting price, which means you accept the official price when the race starts. Bookmakers will settle your bet at SP unless a price is taken. That matters because odds can move before the off. Sometimes the SP will be bigger than the early price, sometimes shorter.
Beginner mistakes: confusing profit with total return, forgetting to convert odds into probability, treating a short price favourite like a guaranteed winner, and staking emotionally after a loss. So bet responsibly and don't chase losses. So quickly to summarise, when you see odds, read it, convert it and control the stake. Next time you see 2 to 1, 5 to 2 or 33 to 1, don't just see a price. See the payout, the probability and the decision. If you're new to horse racing, the first step is to learn how to read a race card. So check out the video that should be on your screen now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn more about horse racing, head on over to tiptoppunter.co.uk and and you'll find a wealth of information on analysing and understanding form waiting for you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.